Hi, I'm Raymond Hegarty, Intellectual Property Strategist, and today I'm going to talk to you about DEMPE. So what is DEMPE? In the fields of intellectual property and intangible assets, DEMPE stands for Development, Enhancement, Maintenance, Protection, and Exploitation. These were categories that were introduced by the OECD to analyze functions contributing to intangible value in multinational corporations. The OECD Action Plan to prevent base erosion and profit shifting has clarified that costs and returns should be allocated to each multinational group entity according to its contribution to development, enhancement, maintenance, protection, exploitation, the DEMPE functions, assets deployed in exploiting the intangible, and risks associated with carrying out the DEMPE function. Actions to take now. Firms with large IP holdings in low-tax jurisdictions should now assess their IP holdings in terms of DEMPE functions performed, assets deployed, and risks assumed, and then take steps to ensure alignment of their IP ownership with IP substance. If you found this useful, please do me a favor, click like and comment below. Subscribe to this channel and visit the website for more free information like this. Thank you.